Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a trailer we are very excited about. This one, a 2002, believe it or not, Titanium 32E37, and what a beautiful fifth wheel this is. The folks who traded it to us told us it was going to be mint when it got here, and boy, were they right. Canadian built, we love that about it. Still needs a bit of a bath, but don't let that scare you off. Come on in and take a look at it. It's a beautiful couples camper, and I'll tell you, the entire sales team is lined up to say the same thing. If we had time to camp this summer, we'd buy this one ourselves, and what a treat. Let's take a look at the inside. As I say, comes to us in great condition. Just touch on some of the features. Beautiful hardwood floor, real wood cabinetry throughout. You've got the wood grain finish on top of the fridge there, which is built in. It's a two-way fridge, both gas and electric. You've got a nice social space here. Classic dusty rose pattern to the interior. You got same thing with the carpet. Really standing the test of time though, of course. It'd be nice and easy to switch that out if you prefer, but beautiful as is. Again, real wood on the slide. Got a nice big social space here at the back. Storage layout on this one is amazing. You've got cupboards below, cupboards above. Your entertainment center is built in there. This one does come with a flat panel TV. It's behind those two doors. Storage below as well. More storage here above. Nice big window here. Look at that view. You sit back and enjoy your nice comfortable couch, and you're all set to look out that big beautiful window that you've got. Original furniture here. We've got the nice comfortable chair right across from the couch too to create a nice conversation space. Peninsula kitchen's got a flip up at the end there so you can have a little bit more space, but again, look at the storage. Smart. They've got storage here on the outside, and they've got storage around here as well in the kitchen. So you've got cabinet storage, drawer storage, storage below the oven. The oven pristine condition, 3-burner cooktop, oven below, nice big microwave above. Storage again, just everywhere that you look. They've found room for storage in this unit. High-rise faucet, 2-chamber sink. You've got a cover on one side so you can use that as an extra space to set a few things. Nice mirror there adds to the decor. Freestanding table and chairs, and we're just getting started. Let's head upstairs to the bathroom area. Nice pass-through bathroom. You've got your sink on one side. It's a mirror, medicine cabinet, corner shower. Again, comes to us in great shape. Look at the size of the linen closet here off to the left as you come down. All kinds of space in here as well. It is plumbed in for a washer dryer. If you'd like to add that in, you can. And all kinds of storage right above. Privacy here for the flush. A little storage above there as well. But nice to have that little door to close that off. French doors lead you into the bedroom area. Nice and cozy. Windows on either side. And again, we talk storage. You've got a pull-out drawer here, a pull-out drawer here, plugs on either side so you can set up whatever you might need for charging. And you've also got full wardrobes on either side. Usually you just see one. I mean, there's probably twice as much storage in this unit as we see in trailers twice this size. So it's, just beautiful. Again, 2002 Titanium 32E37. Just traded in, sitting on the lot now as traded. We haven't done a thing to it, and it's still in beautiful, pristine condition. You can see the fan there. Everything's going to work for you. Don't let the age of this unit scare you off, folks. Come on in and take a look at it. It really is like walking into a time machine. It is in great shape. Great opportunity for someone to get into the camping lifestyle. If you appreciate these Canadian built trailers, you know these don't come along very often. Come on in and see us. Leisure Time Sales, Chris Pam Sis, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have a great selection for you as well. Camping season is upon us. Summer is here, and we'd love to get you into this beautiful unit or one just like it.